welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I got an unboxing, and if you here to see what your girl got, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because I am trying to reach 10,000. That's right, 10,000 by the end of the year. So y'all know how I do with my unboxings. I do have a little story to tell before I do the unboxing. I do work at Sephora, and I am a handbag girl. So ladies come in with the flyest bags ever. And that person, they be like, hey girl, your bag is cute. This lady came into our store with this particular bag on, and I was like, oh, your bag is cute. I was looking for her to say, you know, this was such and such brand or whatever, but y'all, it was under $200. I went online real quick, ordered the bag, and here's the bag. So I wanted to share with you. I never heard of this particular brand ever. I did go across the street to go into the store to make sure I wanted to order the bag, because I didn't want to like order the bag and you know. So I went in the store, tried the bag on, looked at the bag, and I fell in love. And I was like, okay, Miss Tamika, you got to order this bag and share with your YouTube friends. You all, you may have heard of this particular brand. I never heard of it before. Like I said, it is across the street from our location. Never been in the store. I did go in. I do like their clothes. They also sell clothes as well. We'll try and link this particular item down below just in case you want to take advantage of this bag as well. This brand is called Ever Eve. So yeah, like I said, if you heard of this brand, let me know down below, because like I said, I never heard of this brand. Came in this particular packaging, and y'all, let me just say, for this bag to be under $200, you got 3 straps. You got a shoulder strap, a crossbody strap, and another shoulder strap. And wait till I show you the shoulder strap. This is what sold me on the bag when I show you the actual strap. Because on the bag, I was like, and she was like, you could touch it and feel it. Because I felt the that particular strap on the bag, and I was like, okay, this is nice. So here is the packaging. Nothing special. Wrapped in this here tissue paper. It's not like in a box or anything. Was able to get a discount code, so I will try and link everything down below, because y'all know here on my channel I love to try to save myself some coins. So the way the lady wore the bag, she wore a crossbody, and she just looked so nice with the bag and this particular chain hanging. I was just like, oh my gosh, I love that bag. This is more like a everyday type of bag, like if you're going to the farmer's market, if you're going grocery shopping type of bag. Like that's the vibes I get with this particular bag. I'm not sure about a dressy type of bag, but this is more of an everyday type of bag. Like you can bring it to work, throw and go kind of bag. This is why I purchased it, because I wanted to start wearing a bag to work versus a book bag, because I am wearing like this little black backpack that I have. I do like it, but I wanted to, you know, get something that I could wear like every day. I do have the MZ Wireless, but y'all know I love handbags, so one is never enough. It's the bag, and it's more like a moon shape. This is like an olive color, if I didn't mention. So soft and squishy. It kind of reminds you of the MZ Wireless crossbody strap, which is nice and thick, and as you can see, it looks like it's really comfortable on the shoulder. I'm that person that put everything but the kitchen sink in her bags. Say you get a black shoulder strap, and y'all, let me just tell you, the hardware is really nice. Like it's not plastic cheap, like it has a little weight to it. That's another thing what sold me on her particular bag. And then I also, like I said, went across the street to really look at the bag, because I didn't want to touch the bag, the lady bag, all like that. But I just felt the material really quick. When I go on my break, I'm gonna just go across the street and go look at the bag. So here is the handle. Now this bag do come in all black with gunmetal hardware. That bag was cute, but I don't know, I'm just into gold right now. At one point in time it was silver. Now all of a sudden it's just gold, y'all. I'm just in love with gold. But here is one of the shoulder straps. Told me, you all, this gave the bag that extraness that it needed. Like this here gold strap, it reminds me of Coach, how you get, you know, a lot for your money, because this bag is under $200 and you get 3 straps. So this is what sold me on the bag, and I do like this strap because I can use this on other bags in my collection. Is the strap, So like I said, here is the inside. I think she said this is made of recycled material. I think that's what she said. It says life on the fly. You know, this can hold a lot. Do get a zipper pocket here in the inside. I'm not sure if it can hold, I don't know if it will hold my iPhone 12 Pro Max, but it feels like it can hold some things, but not sure about an iPhone. So what is this? Oh, okay. It looks like it can hold a water bottle. Look, like, do you see this? It looked like it can, what, I guess hold a water bottle. So I am new to this brand. I just fell in love because I just liked the way it looked on her when she wore it into the store. So here's the bag with no straps. Put on one of the straps. Like this gold strap, I would just mainly wear it as a piece of decor. Probably attach it like this. Let me show you. Probably wear this bag like this. I don't know if I would use this as a strap. I mean, you can, but I just like the way it hangs on the bag because like I said, it just gives the bag that extraness. One of the straps you can use on the bag. So what I'm gonna do is really quick, I'm gonna put some stuff in here just so I can give the bag some weight so I can show you how it looks on my body. I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am looking to upgrade. I think when I'm finished filming, I'm going to go run to the AT&T store and see what my options are. I mentioned you do have one patch pocket here. I did get this from Shein the other day. I threw this in my daughter's order because I had ordered some stuff for my daughter. It's just like a little cutesy bag, nothing fancy. I was wearing this for the past few days. Really show what's in my bag because it's always the same. I put some pills in this here Nutella thing. Probably have to grab more stuff, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just grab what I have. Y'all already saw this hair unboxing, you all. I love this hair wallet, and I just thought this wallet was at a good price, you know, because of the fact that it's all leather. You know, sometimes all leather pieces with Louis Vuitton can be a little pricey. I did get a new AirPod case. I got this here from I think TJ Maxx. Gold chain do hold weight to the bag because it's like sagging. But you know, if y'all don't know, I love saggy slouchy bags. The bag filled with some things. So let me show you the crossbody strap really quick. He came in wearing it as a crossbody, and I was just like, okay. He had on like some blue jeans, some loafer type shoes, a white crisp shirt. She looked nice. You know, I love a white crisp shirt. And I will not be wearing it with this, but I just wanted to show you how it looks crossbody on me. So I may style it today and throw on something just so you can really see how it would look with a pair of jeans and some boots. For the sake of the video, I just wanted to show you how it looks on me really quick. So yeah, I love this hair bag. So this is one way you can carry, like I said, crossbody. Want to wear it crossbody, you can wear it. So this is cute as well, like a nice everyday throw and go type of bag. Like I said, it's that type of bag that you don't have to worry about anything. If you can hear the hardware, it feels like really nice. This gold strap really sold me on this here particular bag. With the black strap, now I will say this here black strap is not adjustable, so you get what you get, the size. But with this particular bag, for me, I would most likely wear this crossbody because I just wear, like, I don't know. I mean, it's cute on the shoulder, but I just wanted a crossbody type of bag. Like, you know, you could throw on some sweatpants, a t-shirt, and just go. Like it for me as a crossbody type of bag. So, and I'm just pulling it up just so you can see it, you all. This here is just a really cute everyday type of bag. Like if you like Miss Tamika that likes, you know, to switch it up. And I feel like this here olive color with that little pop of gold is a good fall bag. There, transition over, you all. If you wanted to wear it with the gold strap, it do look nice. But like I said, for me, I like the gold strap hanging like this. So with that being said, you all, here is my beautiful new bag. I will link her down below if you want to take advantage. If you like, hey Miss Tamika, I like that too, she cute. Leave my Instagram name across the screen so you can follow me, because if you follow me on there, I will most likely upload pictures on Instagram, because with Instagram you can instantly upload. With YouTube I have to edit and do all of that, so you may find the picture a lot quicker on Instagram. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. Why? So y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.